Hello, and welcome to this video on how to remove the ankle strap on your CAT-65 ankle-mounted GPS monitor. First, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver such as the one included with the tracker. We'll also need a pair of scissors and needle-nose tweezers. Before we start, it's important to note that the strap anchors of this device must be fully disassembled in order to replace the strap itself. Consequently, I will only be showing you how to remove a strap that has already been attached. For instructions on assembly, see our video on how to assemble the CAT-65 monitor. At this point, you should have cut at least one end of the strap in order to remove the device from the wearer. If not, note that cutting as close to the monitor as possible will allow us to reuse the strap, assuming it's still long enough to accommodate the next user. Take the tweezers and use them to pry off the small black pieces covering the anchors. This may require some effort. After the covers have been removed, press the exposed latch. You should now be able to simply pull out the anchor. Again, using the tweezers, we're going to locate and release 4 small latches on the sides of both anchors. Remove the piece with the latches and pull out the remainder of the strap. Happy tracking, and thanks for watching.